Hi friends, how are you doing? Today I am going to draw a very nice drawing, and this is going to be a girl. Let's the drawing begin. First we draw the outlines here. Alright, let's begin the drawing from the face. And we're going to draw the nose here and the lips. The style of the hair, as you can see, I'm drawing next right now, and the hair extended up to this point. Then we draw another curved line to define the hairs, and it comes up to this point. Now we can draw a line from top here and extend the line up to this point. All right, we can draw another point up to like this and extend the lines here. Okay, so we have to draw a few lines like this to define the hands, and on the other side you can see the part of the hands coming up like this. Okay, so we extend the hands like this, and the finger is here, another finger you can see, and the third one and the fourth one. We're going to do the details later, but as you see, the two ornaments, and under it the fingers of the other hand is here. Okay, so we extend the lines up to here. Then we can draw another line here. As you know, the girl is sitting on a board, so the dress, it's a very nice dress, as you can see. It's like a traditional dress, and from this side you can see the hair. From other part you can put the hair like this. Okay, we can draw a boat. This is the side of the boat, and on the other side also you can see that this is a different part of the boat. Let's draw double line in this case. and we can see the village and the river banks in a far distance. You can put few grasses here, and also this side few grasses. All right, so this is almost done. Let's draw the details of the hair. So as you can see that this part is quite dark, and because the long hair, we need to do few details here. First we put the hatches, then we are going to put the colors. So now let's put the black color from the pencil for details of the hair. This drawing is basically a original drawing done by me. So usually when you go to a traveling or sitting on a boat, the most amazing thing is to enjoy the scenery of the river sitting on a boat. So that's the girl is doing, and you can see she is very nice, good looking and wonderful and amazing and beautiful. All right, let's put the red for the lips. All right, for the bright shade we can put the yellow color in this case. Let's put the colors on the hands. Also for this part. All right, for the graphical design of the dress she's wearing, there are few flowers like the red flowers all over the dress. We can put it a combination of red and green. Let's see. Let's put few green strokes for the leaves here, as you can see. As you know, I am drawing it with a very little time, so we have a limitations for the time here. That's why it's no, the few details are very less. So if you want to make a great drawing, you need to give it a time and do all the details, then the drawing is going to look good. But in this drawing we're trying to just show the basic outlines of the drawings, and we can put few light green for the dress here. The light green part.